Trading 212's Auto Invest feature automates investments using three main components: pies, thresholds, and recurring payments. Problems typically arise with these components. Auto Invest divides funds into customized portfolios called pies, automating investments in stocks and ETFs. Pies are customized portfolios where users select stocks and ETFs, such as a tech pie containing Apple and Amazon shares. Thresholds are minimum investment amounts that trigger Auto Invest, typically ranging from €10 to €100. Recurring payments allow scheduling automatic deposits from linked bank accounts on a weekly or monthly basis. Common issues include failed recurring payments, thresholds not triggering investments, and general app glitches. Update to the latest app version for fixes. For troubleshooting based on January 2026 updates, update the app, clear cache, verify bank details, ensure sufficient funds, check PI eligibility, and enable auto retry for payments. Recurring payment failures in Trading 212 Auto Invest are often caused by outdated bank API connections. Let's go through the steps to fix them. First, update the Trading 212 app to the latest version, which is 4.5 or later. This resolves many API connection issues. Next, enable the Smart Retry feature in the app settings. This automatically retries failed payments within 24 hours. Verify your bank details are correct and ensure you have sufficient funds available in your account. Finally, authentication failures, such as two-factor authentication mismatches, can cause issues. Ensure your 2FA codes are entered correctly. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Trading 212 support and provide any error codes you receive. Thresholds are minimum investment amounts that trigger auto investing. If your threshold isn't triggering, first, ensure you've met the minimum amount required. For example, if your threshold is €50, but your account balance is only €30, the investment won't trigger. To resolve this, check for app updates. Recent patches have fixed threshold issues for small accounts under €50. Consider setting dynamic thresholds that automatically scale with your account balance for better flexibility. Real-time eligibility verification is now in place to prevent stuck funds, ensuring your investments process smoothly. Pies are customized portfolios of assets. If your pie isn't investing as expected, check for intermittent issues during high market events, which can cause liquidity shortages. Trading 212 has added AI-assisted pie balancing, but some users report failures during volatile periods. In such cases, consider a one-time manual investment option if available. App glitches can disrupt auto-invest functionality. Ensure you're using the latest version of the Trading 212 app to avoid common issues. Navigate to your app settings and check for the latest update. This resolves many glitches, especially on iOS 18.1. Clear the app's cache to resolve performance issues. This removes temporary data that may be causing glitches. If problems persist, especially on iOS 18.1, contact Trading 212 support for assistance. Document any error codes you receive, such as thresh-R for threshold failures. This helps support resolve issues quickly. Automated investing is evolving with AI integration for predictive pie adjustments and a focus on sustainability. Trading 212 is adopting AI for pie balancing, reducing tech exposure during potential bubbles. New pies emphasize ESG criteria with lowered thresholds for green investments. These trends reflect shifts in investor preferences and regulatory requirements like the EU taxonomy. Let's examine real-world examples of Trading 212 auto-invest issues and their resolutions. A Reddit user named InvestNoob2025 encountered recurring payment failures with their €20 monthly dividend pie investments. The solution involved updating to app version 4.5 and activating the Smart Retry feature, which resolved the issue after just one failed attempt. In a partnership with a UK pension fund, threshold problems prevented investments despite meeting the €1,000 minimum requirements. A December 2025 platform patch fixed the issue, allowing for €5 million in successful automated investments and improved portfolio diversification. During the 2025 market volatility, including Tesla stock plunges and the crypto crash, some pies failed to execute investments due to API overload, even when thresholds were met. Trading 212 responded by offering one-time manual investment options, successfully resolving 90% of affected cases. Financial analysts emphasize the democratization of investing through platforms like Trading 212, but users must stay vigilant on updates. Financial analysts emphasize the democratization of investing through platforms like Trading 212, but users must stay vigilant on updates. By 2030, Trading 2112 plans full blockchain payment integration for enhanced security and reduced bank delays. The auto investing market is expected to grow significantly, with Trading 212 aiming for a substantial market share. Always consult Trading 2112 support for unresolved issues.